us to another episode on ASUG12 exams. So in this episode, we continue looking at the 2020 Internal Science Paper 2. So this is the 7th episode, where the first episode focused on section A in details. So let us look at this question in detail. Start the flow diagram below and answer questions that follow. So we have solid P, which is when heated will give us gas Q, and that gas turns damp lead litmus paper blue. Then plus C, gas C, R. Then when the solid P is dissolved in water, it will give us solution T, which when that solution T is reacted with aqueous sodium hydroxide, it will give us solution U plus water and plus gas Q, which turns red litmus paper blue. Then when solution T is reacted with aqueous silver nitrate, it will give us solution W and the white precipitate X. Let us look at the questions, which is question A. Identify substances P, Q, and W. Then B. Write balanced chemical equations for the decomposition of solid P. Then Roman numeral 2, the reaction between solutions T and the aqueous sodium hydroxide. So let us start by identifying P, Q, and W. So if you notice, Q is turning red litmus paper blue. So this should be ammonia. So this is ammonia, which is that. And this is the same as ammonia. Now, what is happening is we are changing from solid state to gaseous state. These two are gaseous. So this is sublimation. Now in question B1, we talked about the 4 substances or compounds that sublimes. And these are ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, carbon dioxide, and also iodine crystals. So because we are getting this gas, ammonia gas, so this P can only be ammonium chloride. So P is ammonium chloride. So P is ammonium chloride. So let us come and write here ammonium chloride. Then Q, this is ammonium gas. Then what is W? That's what we need now to know. So W is a solution that is being formed when we react solution T with silver nitrate. So now what happens when you react silver nitrate with ammonium chloride? So this is ammonium chloride, which is this one. Then we are reacting it with silver nitrate. So let us just write the equation here. So we are going to have chloride, which is aqueous. Then we are reacting it with silver nitrate, which is also aqueous because it's a soluble salt, aqueous. Then what we are going to get is a double displacement. So we are going to get a silver chloride, which will be solid. Then we are going to get ammonium nitrate, which will be aqueous, which will be the solution. So this white precipitate, which is X, this is silver chloride. Then this is ammonium nitrate. So W should be ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. Then B, write the balanced chemical equations for decomposition of solid P. So the decomposition is happening at this point when we heat the sublimation. That's it, decomposition. So what is going to happen in this case is we have identified that to be ammonium chloride. So we are decomposing this one. which is a solid, when heated, so this is heat, we are going to get ammonia gas, then plus hydrochloride gas, which is in this case this gas R. So gas R is hydrochloride gas, like that. Then Roman numeral 2 of B, the reaction between solutions T and aqueous sodium hydroxide. So what is solution T? So solution T is this one. When we dissolve ammonium chloride in water, so this is going to give us ammonium chloride, which is aqueous solution. Then we react it with sodium hydroxide. So again we are going to get double displacement reaction. So when ammonium chloride is dissolved in water, it's going to give us aqueous ammonium chloride, which is a salt. Then we react it with sodium hydroxide, which is aqueous. What we are going to get is double displacement. So this will form sodium chloride, which is aqueous, then plus this released ammonia, and this one is going to form two compounds, which is water, which is liquid, and then ammonia gas, like that. So this is what is going to be formed. So once we have that, then it's a matter of ensuring that we balance these equations. That's what we need to do, because the question is asking us to write the balanced chemical equations. So that's what we need to ensure. So let us now balance the equations. So if you look at the first equation, we have one nitrogen here, then here we have one nitrogen, then we have 4 hydrogen, so 3 plus 1, which is 4, then we have one chloride. So this is a self-balanced equation, nothing to worry about. So again, if you look at the second equation, you notice that we have one nitrogen this side, then this side we have one nitrogen, then we have 4 plus 1, which is 5 hydrogens on the left hand side, then we also have 2 plus 3, which is 5 hydrogens. So they are balanced. Then in terms of chlorine, we have 1, then 1 here, self-balanced. Then in terms of sodium, we have 1, then also 1 here. So again, this is a self-balanced equation. So once you do this, you are good to go, and you get this a total 5 marks. So thank you for joining me in this episode. Please join me in the next episode as I look at question B7 in detail.